Good morning, students. How are you? Yes, today is our new class, uh, Unit 9. So, in Unit 9, we are learned there is a whole numbers. Okay, so whole numbers, you know that there is exercise, uh, exercise 9A, question number 1, area and population of country estimate in at a mid of 2012 and starting from an and given. So here is the table is given, and here is some question. There is a 6 questions you will be solved is there. Okay, the place value of 8 in the area and population of Nepal. Area and populations of Nepal. Place value of 8, area and population. So you will find out. You will write down this. Here is the area of populations 825,418. So here 18 is unit place. Another is in lakh place. Okay, so in this way you are solve these all questions. And question number 2. So here I'm writing here. Write all possible 3-digit number without repeating the digit and by using the digits. Digit is used, and possible 3-digit number is write down. So first of all, you are write down like this: 675 H1. Another is 576. Another 657. And now 7 in 100 place: 765, 756. Okay, so now in 100 place you write down 576 is 1, is you write down here 567 another. So that much is possible 3 digits number. Same way you second number B number question you are doing. Okay, so in question number 3, use the given digit without repeating and write and make the smallest and greatest 4-digit numbers. So my dear students, this question you are solved at your class 5. So I'm again you are writing here. So you are writing here first of all smallest 4-digit number. Okay, in first, when you write down the smallest 4-digit number, first of all you write down, here is the which one is the smallest? 1. So 1 is write down as first, and then 2 and 5 and 6, and comma you should write down in uh, either national or international methods. Okay, and its greatest you write down like this, 6 5 2 1, and comma you write down your national system. Okay, either national or international system. Similarly, one more questions. So my dear students, some of the students is doing arrange the numbers smallest to greatest like this. Smallest digits. First you write down G3, G0, 4, 5, 8, and they are writing like this, comma. So that is wrong. Okay, this is not systematical comma. Okay, if you write down comma like this, then the the numbers are separate each. That's why you are right, it is not a correct form. Okay, so you should be right either national or international way. right comma, okay. And the greatest, in greatest you write down greatest, you write down 8 5 4 3 0, like this way. Similarly, another example in a 6 digit this number. So you should be separate the numbers. Smallest first write down. First 0 after which one is the smallest? 1. So 1 you write down first. 0 3 4 6 8. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And you should be write down like this comma. In rational way you write down comma like this, okay. Do you understand? And in get rest you write down like this. In greatest 8 6 4 3 1 0, like this. Did you understand this? This is the arranging the numbers in smallest to greatest, okay. So my dear students, today's class is this much because you are doing the question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Follow these examples and solve your questions, okay. So our next class I will tell the more than questions to solve, how to solve this smallest to greatest number. Thank you very much.